Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we discuss about the continued part of the lesson. Jerry is a good boy now. So here from the page number 50, I read the lesson. No one ever invited Jerry to a birthday party. No one ever called at his house. But almost everyone gave him gifts out of fear, not out of love. Jerry was 8, but he was taller than most 12-year-olds. He was much stronger than the other children. If they did not give him their sweets and toys, he would hit and kick them. No one dared to tell a teacher. They thought if they did, Jerry would hit them harder. Then, one day in January, a new girl came to the school. Her name was Amy. She was the smallest person in the class. She had curly brown hair and big brown eyes. She seemed to smile and laugh all the time. The other children soon became her friends. So, children, here yesterday's class we discussed about the Jerry. He was a bully boy, and then every other children also was get fear about Jerry because he was a bully, he was a stronger. So he was here. No one invited Jerry to a birthday party. So here other children not invited Jerry to a birthday party, and then no one ever called at his home. So nobody will invite Jerry to their home because almost everyone gave him gifts. So almost all children always give Jerry to a chocolates, gifts and toys like this. So not out of a fear but out of a love only. So Jerry was 8, but he was taller than most 12 years old. So here Jerry was 8 years old, but he was looking taller as a 12-year-old. He was much stronger than any other children. So means he was a taller and then he was a fattier. So he was looking like a stronger than any other children in the classroom. If they did not give him their sweets and toys, he would hit and kick them. So here some children always bring the toys and then some chocolates from their house. So if the children would not give their sweets and toys to the Jerry, so the Jerry was always hit the children. So if they did not give him their sweets and toys, he would hit them, kick them. So no one dare to tell a teacher. So here no one dare to tell a teacher. So when the Jerry was kicked the other children, so nobody will give complaint to the teacher because they thought if they did, Jerry would hit them harder. So because they think that when they gave complaint to the teacher, so once again Jerry was kick to them or hit them with a very harder. So everybody was get feared about Jerry. So they gave all their sweets and then all they gave their sweets, toys and then chocolates to the Jerry without of a fear, not out of a love. Okay, this is the day of your lesson, children. Next part will continue in the next video. You have to write the lesson from every 1 to harder, means 3 paragraph you have to write the lesson in your HW. Thank you, children.